These are series that I'm too afraid to actually pick up. Really, like I'm dreading. I really want to read them, but just there is a dread inside me which is stopping me to even pick it up. Starting with the very first one, and I think many of you may have guessed it already, and that is Alchemized. Guys, listen. The number of reviews that I've seen for this book, people literally dying and crying their eyes out, is insane. Also, on top of that, it's not a small book. It's a 1,000-page book, so I haven't even gotten it yet. And here is the thing: she feels a lot. She feels everything, and she feels a lot. So when I see people literally feeling like this book has ruined them, that is exactly what is stopping me to pick it up, because I don't know if I have that courage in me. The second one is something that I really want to pick it up and, make myself go out of my comfort zone, and that is the Poppy War. Again, you can see the pattern here, guys, okay? I know this book is around, or the series is around the war, and I know I've seen reviews that people have really raved about the series, okay? But just that dread that I'm gonna feel a lot, and then I'll cry, and then I'm not able to take out the characters or the plot out of my head. If that hit home, if that has literally plucked my heart out of me, I won't be able to, just function beyond that. Let me tell you, after reading Insatiable, I still feel it. If I read one line or whatever I've annotated, I'm gonna cry a lot. The third one is actually a series which has been on my physical TBR since last year, and that is The Crescent City. Not that I have even read Throne of Glass so far, to be honest. This one, listen, this is just the first book out of 3, and this is this huge. Just the sheer size of it is stopping me to even pick it up. And I know I'm not gonna pick it up before Throne of Glass, so that's another thing. And I believe, like, even if I read Throne of Glass, it will take a lot of effort from me to just pick this one up. Like, 3 books of this size,